Welcome to the Explainer. Today, let's turn packing stress into pure travel freedom.
Before the adventure even begins, every traveler faces one universal challenge. You know what it is?
Yup, it's packing. Trying to fit your whole life into one bag, it can be a lot.
We'll kick things off by unpacking this problem, from the anxiety of overpacking to forgetting essentials.
So let's shift our mindset. The key, from author James Clear, isn't minimalism, it's optimization.
Following these 3 simple rules totally changes how you prep for a trip. It's all about what really matters.
Okay, with the right mindset, we can finally build our essential packing list. Let's do it.
First up, the foundation, your bag. Whether you go backpack or roller really depends on your trip.
For clothes, think versatile pieces you can mix and match. The goal is more outfits from fewer items.
With toiletries, think small. Put your must-haves in travel-sized bottles to save space and clear security.
Okay, these days, tech is non-negotiable. A power bank and universal adapter are your best friends abroad. Now, what's really cool is how this list changes. Every trip is different, right? So your packing should be too.
For your health, this slide nails it. It shows the 5 key types of medicine for common travel issues.
Traveling with little ones? Okay, your carry-on is now a survival kit. This list is a real lifesaver.
So you see, smart packing isn't just about clothes. It's about having a safety net for the unexpected.
And definitely don't forget your documents. Having digital and physical copies can literally save your trip.
A lot of credit cards and insurance plans actually offer help overseas. You should know what services you have.
And this is exactly why it matters. In 2022 alone, embassies helped with over 5,000 emergencies abroad.
Because when you're prepared, you're free from worry. You can just be present and enjoy the adventure.
So, as you plan your next trip, think about it. What unnecessary weight will you leave behind?